Hello friend, how are you? I am Raihanul Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name Self Drive Pro. Product description 300 3,567 business have already merged their different cold storage into Self Drive Pro. New blockchain technology marries different cold storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, Cloud, Dropbox, Amazon S3 Box, Go File, etc. To make ultimate limited cold storage portal totally free for life. This is demo video.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. If you're an affiliate marketer, email marketer, product creator, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone operating in the digital marketing arena, then you better give some serious attention to this, as in this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before opportunity to create your own self-drive storage with zero dependencies on expensive third-party cloud storage platforms, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So, if you too are willing to say goodbye to easily transferring files from one storage platform to another like a breeze with 100% security, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting Self-Drive Pro, a brand new blockchain technology to create your own self-drive storage with zero dependency on expensive third-party cloud storage platforms and no monthly fee. With this by your side, you can bid final goodbye to inefficient and expensive storage platforms like Google Drive, OneDrive, iCloud, etc. once and for all. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, connect free cloud drives. Number 3, access limitless storage of all your cloud drives, and that's it. You're all set to never lose your precious data to viruses, ransomware, and hard disk crash. Here's some amazing benefits you get with Self-Drive Pro. Create your own cloud storage with no dependency on third parties. Easily share, store, and access your files from anywhere across the globe. Stop paying huge money monthly to big cloud storage platforms like OneDrive, iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive, and more today. Never face any risk of losing valuable business files and data. Never worry about migrating your data from one cloud to another without downloading it. Unlimited commercial license included to provide red-hot services to hungry clients and bank in big. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Take my word, if you've tried all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then Self-Drive Pro is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. Self-Drive Pro will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get Self-Drive Pro for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the product, can you then see the product? Thank you so much.